Okay, so today we're going to be looking at these valves. We want to change these. They're leaking when you turn them on, or they may be leaking in your house. I'm not a plumber by any stretch of the imagination, but I did one of these, and when I first looked at it, it was like a daunting task. But it's really not as bad as it seems. So that's why I'm putting this on video, so that others like me can follow along. I'm going to set the camera here because I'm by myself, and let me see if I can zoom in. Alright, I'll zoom out a little bit. I'll kind of keep it right there. Hopefully you can see that, what I'm doing. Alright. Here we go. Hi there. Okay, so the first thing is we want to get these covers off. So, well, the first thing is to shut the water off, right? So we shut the water off and see if there's any water in here. No water. Good. Okay. A little drip. Alright, so the first thing that I tried was this. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is really bad. In any case, see, this won't come off because the water in the line has sealed it shut, and that's a big problem, right? Because you can strip this out and then it's like, oh my god, what do I do? Well, we can cut it off with a sawzall, but we can torch it off too. So let's do that. We're going to torch it off because that seems to work pretty well. I'm going to heat it up a little bit, and we'll try to get the screw off first. Now this is a settling torch, a settling. But you can get a high heat propane torch, that'll work. This is really hot. You just have to hold it there longer than the propane torch. I'm just going to do one to show you. Okay, that's supposed to be hot. Okay, let's see what we can do here. How about that? This whole stem is broken. Wow. This is great. Okay, let's do the middle one. Alright, let's do the right one here. We'll leave that one for last. Sorry about that. I'll deal with him later. Okay, let's try that. Okay, that comes off. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, that one's coming off. Okay, that's hot. Now, we grab it like this. I'm going to pull it out. And we'll heat it a little more. Maybe I should close this. Alright, voila. Very hot. Keep that there. So next step is we get some paper towels. This is not too hot. And this just kind of unscrews off. Now this whole flange and stem kit is old. We're going to get rid of it. So I went shopping to see where I can get a stem. Probably your plumbing supply store is the best place, but at the time when I did it, it was late, so I went to Lowe's. I don't recommend that, but lo and behold, they had this kit, which is awesome. And it has everything that you need, the 2 hot and cold stems, the diverter stem, which is the middle one. It's got 3 handles, brand new too, nice. Hot, cold in the middle, and it's got the flanges and the sleeve. And it even has a stem removal kit. A stem removal kit. So, we're going to open this up. Hello? Sorry about that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go for that tool. That tool is right here. Here's the stems, see them? There's the diverter and the 2, the hot and the cold. And then there's this tool. Now, I forgot one piece. Alright, well, we'll try to get it off with the screwdriver. In any case, this goes in here like this. And then I tried to use a long socket set, but that doesn't work because it hits this. So you have to go and get this tool. Alright, let's try, here we go. Right, so this is going to be like this. You know what, in this case, you know what we're going to do? We're going to use our trusty vice grip. And we're going to stick it in here like this. Don't squeeze it too much. I want to get a nice grip on it. Stick it in there and lefty loosey. And behold, like this. Right out. Hair and everything. Okay. Wow, there it is. Look at that. Right out. Then we're going to replace it. But I think first we're going to clean up. Like this. While you have that whole thing open. Yeah, and it's going to be water, whatever you want, rejects, or... Sorry, I'm just mumbling now. Okay, so next step is get one of these nice valves. It's brand new. See, now there is an option, right? You could take this old one. Where's the old one? You know, start replacing like this. It'd be cheaper in here. You could find these, but it's just I don't do it. I'd rather just take this whole thing and change it. I don't know if there's an advantage to that or not. Maybe some plumbers will disagree. They'll say, "Oh, these parts are not as good as those old ones," and you know it's much cheaper to just change the washers, etc. But look how nice that is. Make sure that this is clean in here. There's no problems. That guy goes back in. Oh yeah, let's not forget to tighten that. He goes back in like this. He goes in there. You tighten him up. You grab a tool. And I have this other tool that I don't have with me right this second. But it's just kind of like crooked little piece, and it just... But you could use a screwdriver, I guess, like this, and just tighten them down like that. Let's just do that. Okay? Alright. Then, this will come with a little stem. Comes with 3 stems. one up. You open one up. And pull them out. And see where the threads are? You can thread it right in there like this. Don't over tighten it. You see, we'll strip behind the flange. Now what I do with my flange is, and I'm not going to do it now just because the length of this video is too long already. I take caulking in here and stick it in here just so that it overlaps it a little bit. You see, this is a little turn screw. You got to get a little screwdriver like this, and it's going to screw like that. So we're going to drop this in here, and I also put caulking here. I drop caulking right across here in case any water gets back. It'll just kind of divert it, the water, you know. So drop it like that. It's going to get screwed in, like so. Okay, this one's giving me a hard time. Of course, that one's giving me a hard time. Yeah, I'll scratch them. This one's nice and easy. No, it's not. Alright, go to a bigger screwdriver. Okay, anyways, it's going like this. You get the idea. It's getting screwed in. Not with that. Anyways, you get the idea. After that, this guy here, this is the cold. Well, these just switch around, right? And you just screw that back in like that. Look how beautiful that is, right? And that'll work very good. So the diverter goes in here, cold, hot. This is C for cold, so it'll go here. H will go there. And that's how you do it. So I think the key is the acetylene torch and this Super Duty tool here, which is just called a stem removal tool. So I think they sell these in kits also, like a whole bunch of tools, all different sizes, what I meant. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody somewhere out there. Good luck.